Greetings, family. Let's get right at it, family. This is a serious video. Family, if my technology holds up, I want to bring to so many of our brothers and sisters that are facing felony charges or have gone to felony charge. Family, I have put together a package, family, that's called felony plea bargain in 6 Colorado Judicial District, a limit inquiry into the nature of the process, a Denver Law Review articles, and the package family is filled with annotations throughout the package. Family, if you are facing a felony, I don't care if you have Perry Mason. I don't care if you have Harvey Steinberg, uh, or a public defender. You're the one on trial. You're the one facing that time. I know for those of you in that position, it's like I'm preaching to the choir. But family, this package, I guarantee you, if you're serious about fighting your case before you make that plea bargain, and 90, 95, I've heard as high as 98% of cases are plea bargain. We don't know if they're guilty or not in the real world. Family, uh, friend, brothers, sisters, if you find yourself in that position, this is the package that you need to have in one spot. You don't have to be searching here, there, and even with AI here and there. You study this package. Right? It's very possible that you might go into a negotiation situation better than the prosecutor and your attorney, whether he's public or she or private. And truthfully, fam, that's the position you want to be in. You can't just sit around and depend on those agents to do the job for you. So get with me, family. I guarantee we're asking 25 bucks for this package. I guarantee this package that basically covers my copying, my print, um, not even my time frame, but this package frame. And family, while here, let me explain how I ran into this package. I was just kind of cleaning out my computers like I do my house ever so often, and I ran across this page, stuck somewhere in one of my criminal defense files. And family, I've been doing this a long time. And let's see, when I went in here, I got 25 resources on investigation. That's what Paul Gray did. Colorado criminal law, Virginia criminal law, criminal forms. Forms made it so much easier to fight them. Federal plea bargain. That's the package I just put together for you, family. Guns, parole, pre-trial motion. Family, right here. See if it'll open up live. It's not open live. I probably need to go down here. Can I go here and open it live for you? Uh, Not sure you'll see it, but there it is. Pre-trial motions. Family, area attorney, and we'll come back to one. Family, I don't know how much of that you saw, but every attorney family should have a suitcase full of pre-filed motion. That's a package, family, I will be putting together in the near future. And criminal procedure, brothers, sisters, cases that do go to trial, uh, uh, criminal, are civil. Most of them family. A won or lost on criminal procedure. I was looking for my book, family. Bear with me on criminal procedure because I started out in this game, family, with what we call the poor man books. Bear with me, family. And I'm gonna get back to that package. But brothers and sisters, also, just for you everyday people, you need one of these in your homes, whether you facing any kind of civil or criminal procedure or not. Particularly for those of you who just wondering how the process works. So, fam, so many of our brothers and sisters go into the system don't even understand the procedure, let alone the actually charge they face it. Well, what you mean, Mr. Lee Hawkins, Mr. Upset Legal? Well, family, I have in the bonding business and the legal research I do, I have talked to family clients, and I say, what was you in there for? Stealing, dope dealing, family. There's no such charges. There's still there's manufacturers. You know, it's very technical words. And I leave you with this. And I tell all my clients, uh, civil or criminal, that one word can make the difference whether you go free or the penitentiary. That's how deep it gets in the weeds of law. But family, for those of you seriously, no playing around, as we said today, no diddy. Those of you facing felony charge or felony plea bargain, negotiation. See, family, today, truthfully, many attorneys uh, might not want me to say that many agree with me. That's a different skill required today since so many charges plea bargain, the great mouthpiece like Johnny Cochran and here and there I mentioned Steinberg, and before that Walter Rash. I just read his book on the armed robbery here. I had the opportunity to meet him. But family, you need a negotiator, or you need to develop some negotiating skill. And trust me, family, Lee Hawkins upset legal is, I believe, ahead of the curve. And we're working to put some negotiating packages together for you of compilations of experts, fam. Not what I'm telling you, because basically, I'm dumb as a rock. Uh, but what the experts will tell you, documented in one place. I really believe that the Creator has given me this gift to be able to provide a package for you on these critical steps in the process, pre-conviction and post-conviction remedies. Rule 35. Many of you, well, millions of you across the country, but thousands of you in Colorado know, unfortunately, about that process. But family, many people have been asking when leave, aka upset leader. When are you going to talk some law? But family, today I'm talking real law. And brothers, sisters, once again, if you're facing felony charges, holler at me. Get this package. You need to study. Don't depend. And should you come by, I'll meet you in my lobby, get this package, family. I will give you the tips of how to use this technology to break it down wherever level you want it to read it. But read it you must if you face it. a felony case. Finally, family, don't want to just carry on that. If you have other legal questions and legal problems, you see my number, dial me up. I hope the technical aspect of this video came out good because it was straight from the heart, family, and 60 years of legal experience and 80 years of life. This is a package that will help you. Peace and happy, family. And that's the wrap.